K is for kangaroo with Hopi. Hopi loves the letter K. Today is a special day for a big adventure. She and her little friend Kip are going on a quest to find everything that starts with the letter K. Let's go find some K words. Hopi shouts with a big smile. Boing, boing, boing. The first thing they see is a big, bouncy kangaroo. She has a tiny Dewey peeking out of her pouch. She hops across the soft, yellow sand, looking for a snack. Hopi wants to hop just like her new friend. She jumps up high, reaching for the clouds. Look at me, Kip. I am a hopping kangaroo. She giggles as she bounces through the field. High above their heads, something is dancing in the wind. Look up. Cries Kip. It is a bright, diamond-shaped kite with a very long, wavy tail. It spins and twirls in the breezy air. Hopi takes the string and holds on tight. She runs across the grass, and the kite flies even higher. It zips and zags through the air as the wind whisks it along. Deep in the shady green trees, they find someone very fuzzy. It is a sleepy koala. He is hugging a thick branch and taking a long, cozy nap in the sun. Kip brings a special treat to share with their sleepy friend. It is a bright green kiwi. The koala wakes up and takes a tiny, sweet bite. Yum, yum, what a tasty K snack. Who is that sitting on the big, gray rock? It is a kingly lion. He wears a shiny golden crown on his head and has a very soft, orange mane. He looks very grand and important. You are a K-word hero, Kip says. He gives Hopi her very own crown to wear. Now Hopi feels like a brave queen on her wonderful K adventure. What a busy day it has been. They found kangaroos, kites, koalas, and kings. Hopi loves the letter K. Can you think of any more K words to find? K is for kangaroo with Hopi. Subscribe Hopi and Friends.